Welcome back, my name is Brandon, and in this video we're going to walk through how to add a service to your AdaptSite. We are going to start off by setting up our service hours and creating a category. Establishing our service hours will dictate when a customer can book a service, and a category will help them browse with ease. Starting from the home, we're going to select Build, Services, and select Service Hours. Here you'll see the full range of the store hours for your AdaptSite that you set up in the AdaptSite info, and you'll see all these little tiny nodes set up everywhere. These represent the different time slots that someone can click while they're booking a service. So if I click on them, that means they will be active, and that's what options will show up. So instead of having to click all of them, we do have this option on the top right where you can click Select All Active Time Slots, and it'll automatically click all of them for you. You can also insert breaks if you wanted to, where at certain points you're not taking services at the time. And we can also modify the time intervals. So currently I have it to 30 minutes. You can set it to 60, 90, whatever suits you best. But my services typically run about an hour and a half to 2 hours, so I kind of want that in between time to book as many as I can. So after everything is all said and done, I'm going to select Save and Publish. Now that we established our service hours, we're going to go ahead and head over to Categories. On the top right, we're going to click Create, and for the title, I'm going to name it Repair. Hit Save, and there we go. Now we can create our service. So heading over to the left side, we're going to select Services, and here, since we don't have any created yet, we're going to click on Create Service, and you'll be given the option to create 3 different types: one with an appointment, one with a deliverable good, and one with both. All of the processes are fairly similar. The reason why we have 3 different options is because of the different use cases for each. For example, if you are a hairstylist, you would choose one with an appointment. If you are a graphic designer creating a logo, you would choose one with a deliverable. And if your service has both, you would be someone like a photographer who has to book an appointment for the actual photo shoot and then have the deliverable afterward. We are going to select an appointment service since the Forge provides a repair where the customer will bring in their computer and we'll fix it for them. So I'm going to go ahead and click Appointment Only. Hit Next. Here we're going to fill out all the basic information such as the name, original price, description, the category it falls on, and whether it's bookable. When a service is bookable, a customer can directly book an appointment straight from the Adapt app. Otherwise, they have the option to add a web link. I'm going to go ahead and start filling this out. For the service name, I'm going to call it PC Repair. The price, we charge about $30. I'm going to add that repair category that we added earlier, and I have an already prepared description set up. Let me go ahead and copy that and paste. All right. If everything looks good here, we're going to go ahead and move on to the next section. In the setup section, we're going to start by working on our booking information. So I'm going to select that. You'll be given 2 prompts. One will say how far in advance the customer has to book the service. In this case, I want to at least get a 1 hour's notice, and the appointment duration will last about an hour, which in this case, it's 2 30-minute slots. I'm going to go ahead and select Save. For the location, I'm only going to be doing it at the store, so I won't be going to people's houses and repairing the computer. They have to bring them in, so I'm going to leave this option. So I'm hit Save. For specifications, here you'll be able to ask any preferences, any concerns that you want to know prior to the actual appointment. You have an automatically generated prompt, but in this case, you can add your own custom one. So I'm going to go ahead and add this one. In this case, it's just going to ask what technical difficulty they're currently experiencing, so I myself can know ahead of time what I can work on or what I can expect when they bring in their computer. After I click Save, we can move on to the next section. For this section, we'll be able to add images to our service, allowing people to get a little bit of a preview of what the service entails. So I'm going to go ahead and select Choose Image, Upload Media, and Add Files. Since we don't have anything uploaded currently, we're going to go ahead and find the images that I prepared. In this case, it's these 4. After the right here, I'm going to go ahead and select Upload. Wait for that to be done. There we go. And yeah, now we have them all uploaded. And you want to make sure you mark all of them, so you're making sure that you're selecting all of them to add to this service. After that is done, everything looks good. We're going to move on to the next section. Here you'll be able to add add-ons and details. Add-ons let you provide additional options for your service. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and add a anti-virus protection, and it'll be optional for $10. and go ahead and save. For this toggle switch right above that says required, if you turn it on, this antivirus protection will be required for them in order to proceed to checkout. So they will automatically be applied this $10. In this case, I want it to be optional, so they don't have to click it, but the option's there. For details, I'm gonna go ahead and add a already prepared disclaimer. By adding a disclaimer, I can give them information letting them know that there may be an issue or moment where I won't be able to fix their computer, unfortunately. I'm gonna go ahead and select save, and we can move on to the next section. Next is sales and promotion, where you can apply a discount. We will go over this in a future video. Now we can move on to the last section, so hit next, and here's where we can apply tags. Lastly, tags can make your service easier to find when customers are searching for a specific item that might be related to your store. If you think we're missing any tag that describes your service, please email us at info@adapt.net. For our service, we're going to go ahead and add a couple of tags. Under P, we're going to click on PC gaming, repair, building, and accessories. And if everything looks good, go ahead and hit save and take me to services. And after that, we've successfully created our first service for our AdaptSite. Now you know how to create a service. Nah, just kidding. But hopefully you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.